Itchy scalp and dandruff has really been a big deal for me. I have been struggling with it for quite some time now, and it has been a major cause of concern for me because it even makes it impossible for me to actually make hairstyle of my choice. So I actually had to think and come up with something. So after quite a good number of research, I had to combine three amazing powerful ingredients which I'm going to be sharing with us today. This recipe actually helped to clear my dandruff and stop every itchy I was having on my scalp. And trust me, this is actually my third week of carrying this and no sign of dandruff or itching. So stay tuned to the end of the video, okay? Welcome back, fam. It's your girl Choma Innocent. So our first ingredient for this recipe is aloe vera. Like, this recipe is going to be so incomplete without using freshly aloe vera plants. Aloe vera is known for soothing the scalp and moisturizing. So anything that will actually soothing your scalp will reduce inflammation. Definitely it would add hydration to your scalp, because one of the things that actually cause dandruff and flakiness on the scalp is lack of hydration and moisturization. That is why one of our potent ingredients is going to be aloe vera. So you can see I had already peeled up the other side, and I'm going to be gently scalping out, if that is the correct word. I'm going to taking out the gel from the leaf. So right now we are done with this part. Our next ingredient is ginger. Ginger actually helps to boost blood circulation on the scalp, and ginger has antibacterial properties that helps to fight dandruff. So ginger is a key ingredient when you want to make any dandruff, recipe for your scalp. It's a must have, okay? And the last one is coconut oil. Coconut oil is a must-have ingredient. It's a must-add ingredient to this recipe because it deeply nourishes the scalp and it helps to prevent dryness that can cause flakiness. So if you're battling with dandruff, making use of these three simple ingredients is a must-have. You can see the ingredients are very simple and they are not complicated. So after mixing or adding up my ingredients together, I am going to give it a thorough blend. I will blend it accordingly. I will blend it thoroughly so that all the ingredients can be infused together inside of it. I'm blending right now my ginger, aloe vera gel, and I had already added my coconut oil, so it's giving it that water consistency, making it able to be blended. Okay, so this is how it looks like. You won't even know that I even added oil to it. So like, these three ingredients just gave me a very strong potent hairspray that actually helped to get rid of that dandruff and the itchiness. I could actually feel the hot sensation when I actually applied it because of the ginger. So right now I am sieving it out so that I can get the water and trash away the ginger shaft. So this is how our mixture look like, okay? So the next thing I'm going to be doing is to add it into my spray bottle, but unfortunately, ever since I got this spray bottle, I haven't been able to use it because the pipe is not working. So I'm going to improvise and pour it inside this rubber plastic bottle. Yes, please guys, bear with me. If you know where I can get a very good spray bottle, please come back to comment section and recommend, okay? So I just had to just punch the hole there. So I'm going to be applying it on my hair now, putting the recipe on my hair. You can see how my hair looks like. I haven't washed it. Would wash my hair properly after applying this spray on my hair. So I'm applying it, graciously putting it in every area, opening my hair, graciously putting it in every area. Trust me guys, this recipe is so effective because I could actually feel that hot sensation on my scalp, and I love the fact that it is not drying out my scalp, because And because I added ginger mixture inside of it, so I was scared, but it did not actually dry out my scalp. It was still, in as much as it has a water like consistency, it was still giving me that moisture, and I could still feel that coconut oil on my scalp. Okay, you want to make sure that when you are applying this recipe on your hair, that you are giving it that thorough massage that it needs. So you do not just pour the hairspray in your hair and leave it like that. You want to make sure that you massage every area of your scalp, massage it evenly, make sure that it circulates everywhere. So after doing this right now, I'm going to be using a light one. If you can have shower cap, use it. My shower cap wasn't close to me, so I just had to use this one. So this is the hair shampoo that I'm and conditioner I'll be using. This hair shampoo is made of herbs, and it's specifically treats dandruff. It was specifically made for those that want to get rid of dandruff on their hair, and you can see that sulfur here. But I love the sulfur because it's not so much. I love how it feels because it proudly cleans the scalp. So this is me. I have already washed off my hair. Sorry I could not show you. I could not really take my phone to the bedroom. Okay, please bear with me. So you can see how my scalp looks so neat. Please also forgive my hair. I actually left that recipe, I left it on my hair for about 30 to 45 minutes max. You don't want to leave ginger so long on your head in order to um avoid hair breakage. It depends anyway, but I left it on my hair for about 30 minutes. You can see how refreshing and how healthy my hair looks, and to my amazement, while combing my hair, no single strand of my hair came out. This is the sweetest part. This is the joy. This is the joy. This is the joy. This is the joy. As much as I know that my relaxed hair is due, but trust me, it is looking so healthy and it's looking so clean. That should be the word. Look at that section where that dandruff was. It has gone. Usually before, if I wash my hair and it dries, the dandruff particles are still going to be there. Now look, even after braiding my hair, there is no sign of dandruff anyway. Like, this is the joy that you can rock your hair and front your hair anyhow you want. So guys, trust me, this recipe is a must try. Try this recipe if you're battling with dandruff or itchiness on your scalp. Like, even when my hairstylist was not even making me hair, she was like, wow, your scalp is so clean. Yes, so try this recipe and you will not regret it. Thank you so much for staying with me up to this point. If you've not yet liked and subscribed, what are you waiting for? Do well to like, subscribe and share to friends. Trust me, they are going to find this video helpful. Until then, I'll see you guys later.